Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you on how to use ChatGPT with image input. So, let's get started. First, you need to download the app on your Google Play Store and then click sign up for free. But since I already have the app, let's proceed to the next step. After signing up, you will be forwarded to the dashboard of the app, then click Analyzed Image. Click on the plus sign icon, select Photo, Album, or files that you want to be analyzed or to be converted into text, and click Send. You can upload two images at the same time, then wait for the result. So, that's how to use ChatGPT with image input. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.